We're back. My name is Attorney Vince Davis. I'm with my co-host, Brian Hamilton. And this is The Secret, How to Fight CPS and Win. Brian, we're going to take one more call here from, is it Valencia in Las Vegas?
Oh, hi. It's Marlena.
Oh.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. How can we help you? Did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
Both. I've been working with CPS since it's gonna be 19 months already. They took my kids when I had my son. I was 6 months pregnant when I had him due to preeclampsia, and the children were taken because of domestic violence. And like 19 months later, I'm the one that has been seeing my son in the hospital because he was in Fresno and then now he's in Orange County. And I've been providing everything, like everything. I'm homeless. I'm still homeless because I got stuck in Fresno from Orange County during the pandemic because I had him in March. And that's when the pandemic started. And this whole time I've been asking them, what about housing? I need help with housing. I need help with housing. And they barely decided to refer me to Section 8 around September 20th, around there. And then this court date, they terminated my services. And I wasn't there for the court date because I've been in the hospital, but I was called and told that there's going to be another court date, November 23rd. Well, I didn't receive the paperwork until November 3rd. And a lot of things on there are really bad. I mean, they don't want my son to come home to me. I don't even have a home to live in. My daughter has been placed with my grandparents, and all I've been asking is to move back in with my parents because I'm tired of being homeless and them not helping me. It's been a struggle.
Well, where are your children right now? One's with your grandmother and the other one is where?
In Orange County in the hospital. He's been in the hospital because he has a ventilator. And in this county that I'm at, there is no pulmonary doctors. So I sent him there. I chose the hospital he's in, which is Halfridge. And he's been doing great. Like, he's been doing really well there. I go see him. But lately, I haven't been able to see him because I was really sick from September to now. And it's just, I don't know what to do. Like, she doesn't even think I'm capable of caring for my 13-year-old. When I had a conversation with her and I said, am I a substantial danger to my children? And she didn't want to answer. I'm like, you need to answer yes or no. Am I a substantial danger? And she said, no. I go, then why am I not back with my daughter? Like, why are you keeping me from her? Like, I just want to move back to my parents. I'm still homeless. You guys are not helping me find housing. And you guys never even gave me a gas card to go see my son. I've been doing all this on my own. And you guys are you're trying to keep my son?
Have you spoken to your attorney about this?
Yes, my attorney sucks. And I don't know if I can fire him because it's already like at the end, at 18 months, like permanent placement. They want to adopt my son out. And I've been talking to my lawyer and I've been telling him what she's saying. And I'm like, why can't you follow 388? I need to be back with my parents. Like, I need to be back home. Like, why am I going through all this?
Is your case in California?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have a court-appointed or private attorney?
Court-appointed.
Okay. So what you need to do is email your court-appointed attorney information that would allow that attorney to file what's called the 388 petition. Have you lost your family reunification services, or is this what's going to happen at the next hearing if you don't do anything?
Okay, I'm in family reunification right now.
Okay, so they're going to terminate your family reunification services and then subsequently try to terminate your parental rights. But what you need to do is try to win this case. You need to try to win this trial that's coming up, or this hearing. And the only way that you can do that is to work with your court-appointed attorney or get another court-appointed attorney. On my YouTube.
Can I fire this attorney? Because I've given him everything that I needed, and he's not like, he didn't even like call me because I told him, please call me as soon as you get the report, because I had called him when I spoke to the social worker, and that's when she told me that Asher's not going to come home to me and that she doesn't feel I'm a substantial danger to my kids, but it doesn't matter because they need to. they don't think I can meet their needs.
Mhm.
And I
Just
spoke
on
to
a
my lawyer.
just on a technicality, that substantial danger test is used at the disposition hearing, not at subsequent 6-month review hearings. They use a little bit of a different test. That's kind of a technicality, but it's an important distinction that you and your lawyer should talk about. And if you've completed all of your plans, you need to make sure that at the next hearing, all your service providers are present, and that they're able to testify that you've done everything that you're supposed to do, that you've learned from it, and you've benefited from it. One of the things that's going to be hard is I'm not sure a judge is going to send you back the children if you don't have a home. So if your parents are willing to allow you to live in their home with the children, that's something that you and your attorney should let the social worker know as soon as possible.
Yeah, and they know. They had another TDM meeting for me back in September, and they know that my parents have said, like, we would like for her to come home, because in December I was taking care of them. We all had COVID, and I've been like, my mom just had a stroke, so I've been trying to get back into my mom's house so I could help, but the worker was refusing. And my lawyer, I told him to file a 388. Like, why can't you file a 388? Like, Leah's 13 years old already. Like, she keeps telling my worker, like, when is my mom coming home? When do I get to go back with my mom? And she tells her she's not ready. She's not ready yet. She's just not ready yet.
So, I mean, the social worker can say anything they want. You have a right to contest it by way of a 6-month review hearing that apparently is coming up, or by way of a 3.
It's 18 months.
Okay, well,
this is 18 months.
Right. Yeah, but every 6 months they have a review. So you're at the 18-month date. The social worker has to prove certain things. If you've done everything, you need to bring all your providers into court and have them testify, so that the social worker who just makes recommendations, can be shown that he or she is not accurate in front of the judge. The judge is the one that makes the ultimate decisions.
Okay.
Right, not the social worker. So try to work with your attorney. If you can't, go on YouTube, and I have a video on how to change court-appointed attorneys. In California, it's called a Marsden hearing, but it's not necessarily automatic. You have to have some evidence, some real reasons why. Okay, so you want to watch that video and make sure you comply, because I see a lot of people make Marsden hearings on their court-appointed attorney, and it doesn't work. Because a lot of people think, oh, if I file for a Marsden hearing, I'll automatically get a new court-appointed attorney, and that's not the law in California. You follow me? You follow me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am following you.
All right, listen.
Yeah, I'm just.
Hold on a second.
Okay, go on.
I want to thank you for listening, and thank you for calling in. If you have any further questions, give me a call at my office, 888-888-6582, and I'll talk to you some more about your case. All right?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Call us in a few weeks and let us know. Give us an update. All right?
All right. All right. Thank you.
All right, Brian, we've come to the end of the show. Anything you want to mention in the next 60 seconds?
If you're in the California area, anywhere in the California area, please feel free to reach out. And if you need a therapist, my number is 951-289-0478. You can also find me on Psychology Today, or you can look me up on the LifeSource Affordable Counseling website.
Give us your number and your email again one more time.
Okay, sure. It's 951-289-0478. My email is brian.scott.hamilton.42@gmail.com.
Very good.